Is it true that Mayank's wife didn't know about the English version?
So, what a story that is true. uh, in 2019, when I got 1000 copies printed of Hindi DDLJ Fitur, I could not sell it because of various reasons. One among them was ISBN number was not printed on it. And I've incurred financial losses, obviously. And because I was a novice, I did not think of getting less copies printed. Oh, and I wanted to write it in another language. So, because first time the book didn't do well, which was in Hindi, I thought why to tell when the project is finished the next time. So when 2021 during COVID period, I decided to write and publish the second book, which was in English language, DDLJ A Fitur in English. I co-authored with a US based teenager, Kush Pansal. And that's true, I did not tell my wife that I'm finishing the incomplete project because I always wanted to write the English one also. And I did not tell her, I silently worked on it because I already failed at publishing it successfully, the first one. And how did I manage? How did I manage to keep it secret? The secrecy was maintained because I and Kush was coordinating during early morning hours. So he was in US, Kush was in US, and during his late nights and evening hours, it was early morning in India. So I silently used to wake up, zoom in, talk with him over Zoom calls, every second, third day, and we together finished the second project. So while the book I dedicated to my wife, my loving wife, and that is also true that I did not tell her what project I am working and did it silently. So yes, the information is absolutely correct. This is why the book is appropriately titled Fitur. There are a lot of Fiturs that has been accomplished while attempting this challenging project. So you will enjoy the book. I would love to hear from you. I will love to hear your feedbacks on my mail. Read both the books, and if you will not do it, you will watch it on a web series. Okay. If you don't want to miss that, don't worry. It will be perfect story for web series. It's a perfect story for a 70 full length movie. Detail Jeff Thor. Just a matter of time.
छोटे छोटे देशों में बड़ी बड़ी बातें होती रहती है। अरे नहीं नहीं, बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है। उल्टा बुलाते हो यार।